What is up, guys? Good morning. It's currently 9:30 and we're on our way to CCSU for a charity car show for the Tara Animal Rescue Foundation, I assume. We're on our way there. I'm with Kevin. Denzel's riding his bike.
Probably through here they can see it. Maybe
yeah. Man's got himself a bike. So right now we're gonna go, get something to eat, and we're gonna head over there.
Now my MPG going down, yo. At 32 to 28 now. Car picks up pretty fast. I'm ready to play with.
Yeah. Looks like a lot of shit so far. Like there's, God damn. But goddamn, I don't know how big. Well, how far it wraps around.
Same Jaguar. My nipples got hard real quick, yo. I see that shit. Let's start with this Camaro right here. Starting that jerk me out of him.
Facts.
Now I want some wings, yo. I like these Mazdas.
Where the fuck do you see the wings?
Oh, the Mazda Speed 3. You see the wings behind it? Go look behind this red car right here.
Ooh.
Oh, the E36 though.
Oh shit, he got the Sword Arts Online little decal on the side with the link. Wow. Yeah. Yo, this shit low-key looks like a dildo.
Yo, that shit do look like a dildo.
Like a fucking yellow dildo.
Hey, that M4 though. This setup is. Let me hit up this Hyper. This beautiful E39 M5. Oh man, I'm thinking about getting this M5 right here. Those are almost the same wheels I was going to put on my E36. I don't know if those are CSL wheels or Apex ARC8s, but shit's so tiny, so. Alright, look at your little bay.
Facts.
Little
That's the same one as the last show.
You just gonna walk past the GTR like that?
What happened?
You ain't gonna give it no.
Oh shit! No, I thought it was back there more.
Man,
God.
fuck that GTR. Yeah, that's hot.
Damn, this shit's so beautiful. Which phone was this?
It's not like. It's my father's.
I wonder what year that is.
What? This bike?
This bike.
He always like really just doing the car like.
See, that's like my bike, but just newer.
What is it, like 08, 9? Maybe.
What year's yours?
5? No, 4.
No, this is like 13.
No,
It's like
mine.
13.
But that's a 750 though.
This is beautiful. This is the color I want to paint my paint. See how it's sparkling? Pearl white, bro. Beautiful.
That's a beautiful fucking Viper.
Next, what I. I would just start with the GTR in the car, you just have it stock and it's still gonna be in the show. Seriously.
I remember we might get a 600.
I'm not impressed like this. They need a lot.
mean.
You see this monster truck?
Hello.
Yo, I'm about to bench press this shit, yo.
Press what?
Even if it's dropped, it wouldn't even like.
I don't know about the
Yo,
tire.
this shit is retarded, yo. What the fuck?
You don't even need to lift.
Well worse than lift up tires like this. I had to put
With
it
the
up
rim
on-
though?
No, not the just the tires. Those tires are heavy as fuck.
It does. It's a start.
It's actually big. Yo, you could have had a Mexican in there.
You got his whole family.
That's crazy. Home got a pet pig. God damn, he's shooting.
Yeah, the Subaru?
Denzel here, your WRX.
See what kind of power you're making, tune it. You got AEM tuners. You have to hook up on parts, builds, everything.
I still need to install my parts.
Come check him out, guys. If you got a race car, it's a dyno, come check out how much horsepower you're pulling.
Come check us out, man. We do dyno days. We got events, tuning, everything.
Definitely.
We're laying in Stafford.
Come through.
See this? My teacher has one of these, a STI.
That 22B? No.
Yes, he does.
Take a picture.
I'll take a picture. I'll show you.
He's a power
He's
steering.
building it. He's building it. This is like his baby.
Young ass millionaire.
Apparently, he
squad.
brings it to school like once a year. That's the dude that works at Conrad.
Look at this. I'm mad. Let's get another.
We got unlimited.
We got Ahmed here. What's good, man? What's good? What's good?
Like when they say you don't have enough food or something. Very soon we're not fast.
There we go. Come on.
He gonna knock it off.
You couldn't do this damage with a Mack truck.
You got it. Okay, good.
Damn.
Hey, you got a front bumper too, man. He's very strong. Yeah.
Take it home.
It's yours now.
Souvenir. Woo! It's getting really hot. Yeah, so we're gonna get something to eat. Pizza. So we get pizza. You what, mate?
See, the thing is that
So we're at
The way I did
Josue's
it, the
house,
way I did it.
and what are you guys trying to do?
Let me see. Give me
we're adjusting some coilovers right now.
Facts, all right. So yeah, give him a detail
We got some CX Racing coilovers.
thing of what y'all about to do.
300.
Yeah, they're fucking with this car.
You gotta,
It don't take you guys to do it,
It takes 3 monkeys to fix some fucking coilovers.